Okay, let's create two teddy bears that are hugging together. Okay, first things first, you need to inflate two balloons with 4 inches allowance at the end, like this. Okay, first step, create the mouth of the teddy bear, just like this. Now, create 2-inch bubble, 1-inch bubble here, 2-inch bubble here, 1-inch bubble, 2-inch bubble here. Put it together, just like that. Create an ear for the teddy bear, and this is what we call teddy bear twist. And let's create one more thing here, one more ear, and put this mouth is at the middle of this loop that we created, and place the mouth like this. That's it. And this is the head of our teddy bear. Now, just do the same thing. Create a mouth first. Create 2-inch bubble here. 1-inch bubble here. And a 2-inch bubble here. And 1-inch bubble. And 2-inch bubble here. Put it together just like this. Create an ear here by twisting this part, and do the same thing here. And now put this mouth through this loop. Okay. Now we created the head. So, how to create two teddy bears that are hugging together? Make a loop like this. Okay. Let's say 5 inches loop. Put this yellow here, around here, this loop. And slide it all the way. Just like that. Now, create also another loop and wrap it around here to the body of this bear. Wrap it around and lock it up. Careful with your balloons. Now, need to create the feet of your teddy bear by creating a small loop here on the lower part. Leave a small excess balloon for the tail of our teddy bear. Do the same thing here on the other side, just like that. Extra careful, of course. Now, put it all together, these two feet of these two teddy bears. So that, just like that. And now, get a heart for this. Put the heart here. And that is your two teddy bears that are hugging together. They are hugging romantically, just like that.